the mistakes that you are making as a business is that you are not aware of the different levels of customer. So I want you to understand that there are different levels of customers, and these levels of customer determine the kind of marketing strategy that you would be using to reach out to them. There are people that do not even know they have a problem. That's an aspect of a customer. They have a problem, but they are not aware that they have a problem. So how do you let them know that they have a problem? That is a different strategy. There are other people that knows that they have a problem, but they do not know the solution they need to actually, solve that problem. That is another aspect of your customer. So the strategy for you to get such customers to be aware of the solution that you have, it's another strategy for you to reach out to them. Then we have the people that knows that they have a problem. They know the solution that they want. All right. It's also possible that they know who has the solution, but they are just not, they don't have the money, or they are not sure if to actually get from that person. That is another, level of customer. So at these different levels of customer, you need to understand your customers and actually meet them at the point of their needs. So the strategies that you would use for people that are not aware, all right, is different from the strategy that you would use for people that are aware, right? The strategy that you will use for people that are aware is different from the strategy that you would use for people that that are having trust issues to buy, right? So by the time you find solution to all of this for all of these customers, you will very well make the kind of money or sales that you are looking at. So if you are struggling right now in your business, then you want to ask yourself, what type of customer are you having right now? Okay? And what strategy can you use to actually help them to buy the product that you are looking at selling? So with this, you are very well going to make sales if you sit yourself down and implement on what I just talked about. I will see you again on another video. If you found value in this, make sure you are following me, because I teach business, how to make money, how to get customers, so that you can live your best life ever.